Everyone, we are going to solve 2 power 10 minus 2 power 9 minus 2 power 8 equal what? So many people make this type of problem so complicated. So let's learn in an easy way. So this 2 power 10, I can write it as 2 power 8 plus 2, 9 as 8 plus 1 and 2 power 8. Now as per exponent rule, x power m plus n, we can write it as x power m times x power n. So this becomes 2 power 8 times 2 power 2 minus 2 power 8 times 2 power 1 minus 2 power 8. Now if I'll take this 2 power 8 as common, so 2 power 2 minus 2 power 1 minus 1. Now 2 power 8 is 2 power 2 is 4 minus 2 minus 1. So 2 power 8 times 4 minus 2 is 2 and 2 times minus 1 is 1, which is 2 power 8. That is 256. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.